Okay, today we are going to talk about what is psycholinguistics. So let's start. Yeah. Also, psycholinguistics is a mental process. No. Yes, it also has to deal with the production of the listeners or writer's perspective or point of view, because here we have different stages of production since we have to plan in the center structure that we are going to do. We have to select words, what kind of words we have to apply, what kind of words are the appropriate ones when we speak, and the sequence of sounds that are shown during the production part. This part is important because, as Sonia mentioned, uh, we have some linguistics fields that deal with this part, such as syntax, phonetics, morphology, and all of them that help the listener points of view to create a different things. All of this when we are referring to a new language use. So we can say that does our choice of words influence our choice of sentence structure? Yeah, we have to choose the correct words because we get it can make confuse people around us, and they it's very difficult to understand when we not choose the correct words, right? It's a kind of a little bit difficult. That's why psycholinguistics help us to relate our sake and what we want to tell in the mental process that we are creating before we speak. And Oh, thank you.